Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how and when is Windows 11. Yes, it is nearly time for a next generation version of the world's most popular desktop operating system, Microsoft Windows. Microsoft has been stuck on Windows 10 for quite some time, since 2015 in fact. The reason for this fairly simple: Microsoft has Windows 10 through twice-year updates, but not brought forth and fundamental changes. It also probably wanted to stick with the successful version of Windows, given that while 2001 is Windows XP and 2009 is Windows 7 were massively successful, the in-between versions of 2006 Windows Vista and Windows 8 8.1 in 2012 and 13 were not that well received. Microsoft sent out invitations to the media to "It is what is next" for Windows digital event on 24th June, saying the key line where the company will unveil the next generation of Windows. The event teaser also has to reflect on the Windows logo on with the crossbar taken out from the Windows. The meaning of that logo showed the two vertical bars. Yes, when is the Microsoft Windows event? So Microsoft event will be start at 11 a.m. ET on 24th June 2021. For your reference, here the time and different part of the world I have given here: New York 11 a.m., California 8 a.m., London 4 p.m., Paris 5 p.m., Berlin 5 p.m., India 8:30 p.m., Sydney 1 a.m. that is 25th June, Tokyo 12 a.m. 25th June, and Hong Kong 11 p.m. How to watch Microsoft Windows event? The event will be available to stream from Microsoft website and its YouTube live channel. So keep watching HowXT. You know about how to use Windows 11, where's the software application and different kind of user interface. Everything step by step. HowXT will release the video. So please stay with us. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.